上期视频我们请到了麦格纳斯泰尔中国区副总裁黄振宇，给我们讲解整车代工的故事。本期视频我们将请到镇江工厂的负责人 Werner， 给我们揭秘高品质汽车制造背后的秘密。
Hello, Mr. Chang. Ni hao. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Werner. Nice to meet you too. So, Werner, how does Magfac help ensuring the high quality of Magna's contract manufacturing vehicles?
The top quality of our cars is the ultimate goal for us at Magna. We want to satisfy both our contract manufacturing customers and the consumers in the market. World-class manufacturing is the key to achieve this goal, and MAFACT is the guideline how to organize our plants. We want clean and well-organized work areas, always with good visual controls. Our production targets must be visible, with ongoing monitoring of outputs to targets. This striving for the best is the fundament to build premium quality. MAFACT means Magna Factory Concept and helps us to perfectly organize the whole plant. Everything from product development through purchased components to the shipping of the finished products will be well controlled. MAFACT is the guideline for the continuous improvement and has been implemented for more than 20 years. MAFACT reflects our best thinking and our collective knowledge and experience and will continue to improve. MAFACT has 8 modules, which are management, environment, health and safety, manufacturing excellence, material control and logistics, design, engineering and advanced quality planning, human resources, quality and costs. With these 8 modules, MAFACT covers all aspects and the whole process of operations. There are objectives for each module and tools or methods along with the modules. We do regular audits and compare the results within Magna. In the Zhenjiang plant, all employees, whether they are in production or in office, get ongoing MAFACT training, both in the classroom and on the shop floor. Here, in the General Assembly, you can see one of our MAFACT training areas. This training is an ongoing task, and the Magna team is continuously supporting the local team members. Let me give you an example why this is so important. Let's say you want to learn skiing. One teacher gives you a book to study, and you shall learn to ski just by yourself. The other teacher gives you the book and runs with you on the slope to show you how to ski and continuously coaches you to overcome difficulties and to become fully experienced. This Magna is the second type of coach, and that makes the difference.
Simply put, is MAFACT the standard about how you manage a factory to deliver high quality products?
Yes, that's absolutely correct.
When did MAFACT first come into use, and how do you set up the guidelines of the MAFACT?
The first MAFACT version goes back to 1999. The mirrors operations in Europe began to describe the lean manufacturing concept. A couple of years later, Magna Exteriors Interiors adopted a similar approach. Both groups were very successful. The concept was rolled out to all groups. Meanwhile, all divisions contribute to further develop the MAFACT system. At the end of the day, MAFACT is about asking ourselves, how can we do better and how can we improve our business? Our answers lead us to improved customer satisfaction. MAFACT requires standardized operational procedures. In regular audits, we check how successful these procedures have been implemented. MAFACT guides our employees to do our jobs well. It helps us to drive performance and to improve our own skills. Many enhancements have been implemented since 1999. And this year, we are going to implement the MAFACT Revision 27, which is a major update. MAFACT is truly a living tool that we are continuously improving. We are using the MAFACT principles from the very beginning when we are building a new plant or when we are modifying an existing plant like here in Zhenjiang. In the beginning, we analyzed the previous existing lean manufacturing concept. We worked out a plan how to build on this existing knowledge and to upgrade to the MAFACT level. Since the initial implementation, we continuously train our staff and enhance the overall knowledge and awareness. This continuous support really makes the difference for quality.
So MAFACT is not a new concept. It has been practiced for many years.
Yes, you are right.
What's special about it in terms of the contract manufacturing?
Contract manufacturing intends to deliver synergies to our customers. We want to share resources, skills, and investment between the different clients. This allows programs with smaller volumes to achieve a reasonable cost level without compromising the quality. Each customer has specific requirements for his car. MAFACT is flexible enough to integrate individual customer requirements and strong enough to guide us to world-class manufacturing.
Werner, how does MAFACT reflect on ARCFOX product?
The ARCFOX Alpha T is like the firstborn child within the family. Everybody tried to do the best and contribute as much as possible. Magna transferred manufacturing know-how and implemented a MAFACT team across the plant organization. The MAFACT section leader is from Magna in Graz, and all the other team members are local. This guy trained the whole organization. They are the MAFACT cheerleaders to implement the initial key factors, standardized work, and fast response. In the stamping workshop, we have selected the best from the best in regards of materials and processes. MAFACT has helped significantly to improve quality and productivity. The almost fully automated body shop is the first cornerstone for the vehicle quality. In building the vehicle bodies, we have 100% online monitoring of body dimensions, glue quantity, and process parameters. The General Assembly Workshop is the masterpiece of MAFACT and the second cornerstone to ensure the vehicle quality guided by the MAFACT system. Here, we focus on standardized operation, logistics improvement, and workstation improvement. Take, for example, the brake line assembly station. It's very important for the safety of the car. During the improvement, we focused on the operator and improved the workplace ergonomics. We implemented full traceability on the material and on the process. And the perfect pass rate on the brake test proves the effectiveness of our measures.
Werner, what difficulty have you met in the ARCFOX project?
Like for all companies, COVID-19 has brought great challenges to our project. During the initial outbreak, most of my team was outside of China. I was worried that these experts couldn't come back for a long time. Luckily, all of them could return within 2 months, and my team chose to stay in Xinjiang for 1 year. All of us were fully devoted, and with such dedication, we were able to launch the ARCFOX Alpha T last September. This was really a great experience for all of us.
I think China is the first country that stepped out of the COVID crisis. So this is good news for the facility and the whole Chinese domestic market. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree. This helps the industry a lot.
Are you planning to manufacturing other vehicle types in this plant?
Yes, of course. The facility in Xinjiang has an annual capacity of 150,000 to 180,000 vehicles. It can also be utilized by other customers. Our production lines are very flexible. We have applied flexible concepts which can be easily adapted. Thus, we can produce and assemble multiple vehicle models in the same production lines. And Magna has a lot of experience with this task. Beside the ARCFOX Alpha T, BGV will officially launch the ARCFOX Alpha S in April. We will produce the two vehicles with full flexibility on the same production lines. We aim to further enable the Chinese NEV industry and be a leading partner in China for zero-emission mobility.
Since we continue to see a growing number of new entrants in the pure electric car segment in China, the capacity of the facility is likely to be filled in the near future, right?
Yes, I agree with you.
向2位麦格纳资深专家取经并看了阿尔法 T 生产过程后，我深感麦格纳技术的强大。麦格纳的技术实力包揽了整车从设计到量产的整个链条，这是目前其他零部件供应商所无法企及的，也是麦格纳作为零部件供应商独特而强大的地方。相信通过本期的视频，各位对整车开发和代工以及极狐阿尔法 T 有了更深入的了解。我们下期技术公开课再见。